Good noon, everyone. Today discuss about petroleum refinery and petrochemical technology. Unit number 4 treatment and technique. In a previous lecture में આપણે propane deasphalting જોઈ ગયો છે. Then after the topic છે clay treatment. Okay, start करिए. This is a important point in mid examination, also G2 examinations. In a clay treatment, this treatment is listed as one of the oldest method. એકદમ જૂનામાં જૂની મેથડ છે. એના ઓપરેશન્સ માટે આ ફોર્મ્યુલા આપણે યુઝ કરવાની છે. ઓકે, ધીસ ટ્રીટમેન્ટ ઇઝ લિસ્ટેડ એઝ વન ઓફ ધ ઓલ્ડેસ્ટ મેથડ. ઇવન નાવ days also it is followed in a limited scale of various mineral clays and synthetic adsorbents are the listed material for this treatment also. And the asphalt and resin are adsorbed on this clay. Okay, and the resins being the color contributors also to oil, the removal of this reflect in improving color of the oil. For unsaturated are preferred by adsorbed over a unsaturated part. Okay, further the clays have any tendencies to adsorb some sulfur compound also and metallic bodies. Material loss is very much because of the wetting the whole quantity of the clay and retentions of some in pores. The material adsorbed is governed by Freundlich equations જે આપણે MT2 માં MT1 માં જોઈ ગયા હતા Freundlich equations. Okay, and this is useful only for decolorize operation, and the equation is given for below this equation. Okay, એના પહેલાં થોડુંક ડિસ્કસ કરીએ આગળ પાર્ટ. Simply this treatment is listed as one of the oldest method, and even nowadays also it is followed in a limited scale basis. Okay, limited scale and the various mineral clays and synthetic adsorbent are the listed material for this treatment also, and the asphalt and resin are adsorbed on these days in these clays also. Okay, resins being the color any contributors to oil. Okay, the removal part of this reflect for improving color of the oil, any unsaturated preferred by adsorb over the saturated point. Okay, further the clays have the tendency to adsorb some sulfur compound and metallic bodies, and a material loss is very much because of wetting the whole quantity of clay and retentions of some in pores. The material adsorbed is governed by Freundlich equation, and this is useful only for decolorizing operation, and the equation is given by for S20, for which is equation log x by m is equal to log a plus 1 by n log c. Okay, this basis where the what is the x is equal to unit of impurities adsorbed na basis par, and m is equal to quantity of adsorbent. Okay, what is the x? X is a unit of impurities adsorbed, and m is equal to quantity of adsorbent. The c is equal to concentration of impurities in a equilibrium at surface. A and n is equal to constant part. Which equations? For the material adsorbed in governed by Freundlich equations, and this is useful only for decolorizing operations, and the equation is given by this one log x by m is equal to log a plus 1 by n log c, where x is equal to unit of the impurities adsorbed, m is equal to quantity of adsorbent, C is equal to concentration of impurities in a equilibrium at surface, and A and N is equal to the constant term. Okay, simply. And the clay treating was once a technique or decolorizing and stabilizing crack material, a gasoline, and also for desulfurizing virgin gasoline and kerosene. Okay, for a clay treatment was once a technique or decolorizing and stabilizing cracked the gasoline, and also for desulfurizing virgin gasoline and kerosene basis पर. In the treatment of light fractions, the clay act as a catalyst. For a heavy oil, it is an adsorbent. For a purifier. For gasoline are also clay treated to eliminate material inclined to give color or from gums. And this tendency of natural clays like Fuller's earth or bauxite to polymerize for unsaturated cannot be set aside during this treatment also, and for this reason the clay treated gasoline may have to be further processed for a distillated to remove the resultant polymeric group, and the gray, this Stafford and Ostratum processes are in these equations basis. Log x by m is equal to log a plus 1 by n log c. Then enlist for such kind of the treatment for a clay being in this case the treatment is frequently conducted in a fixed bed containing for a part of the 40 tons of the 60 mesh size particles. The charge may be in a vapor or liquid state na basis पर. Okay, the slurry type reactor are the newcomers in this field and are the conducted for crack stocks. Okay, most of the clay treatment any operations are conductively for carried out the temperature of 125 to 250 degrees Celsius, and desirably at the high pressure almost the vicinity of 20 atmosphere. These operating conditions are quietly typically in a gray and Stafford operations. In other processes the pressure is still higher in a contrast basis when a desulfurization of virgin gasoline part is attempt a temperature of 400 degrees Celsius is opted, and this help in venting sulfide and a mercaptan in the form of the hydrogen sulfide also. Okay, and then the clay treatment for a crack stock also, for enriched section part also. With thiophenes is not the sound, these are refractory, and due to the fine depositions of cork on the clay, the activity of the clay and dimensions, some refineries tried but to regenerate the clay by the burning of the coke under the controlled conditions. Other discard a ton of bauxite can usually handle 10,000 bbls of virgin gasoline for 1200 bbls of cracked gasoline, or a 5000 bbls barrel of kerosene, and the comprehensive information part. regarding the removal of the sulfur compound also, and the naphtha occurs using the different adsorbent, and sulfur acid treatment was presented by for this scientist name also, and the furnished in a table 4.4. Evidently the sulfuric acid is superior in the removing sulfur compound, especially like thiophene. ओके टेबल 4.4 जो है टेबल 4.4 में तुमने पूछा कि कंपैरिजन ऑफ एडजॉर्बेंट एंड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड जे एडजॉर्बेंट यूज अबाउट 13.6 kgs per barrel of a stock acid uses 24.5 kgs per barrel of stock ना सल्फर कंपाउंड रिमूवल ना बेसिस पर आई पूछे तो एक वक्त जो डेटा है ना तो क्या क्या डेटा पछे एक तो सिलिका जेल फॉर फुलर अर्थ Al2O थ्राइज सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड 93% माटे छे અને ફોર્મિંગ સિસ્ટમ માટે છે ઓકે તો ફ્રી સલ્ફર H2S one amyl mercaptan dimethyl sulfate methyl phenoltoluene sulfonate CS2 ના બેઝિસ પર છે n butyl sulfide n propyl sulfide thiophene diphenyl sulfoxide n butyl sulfonate. Okay, these are overall the data for different substances. અમુક 93% માંથી હોઈ શકે ફોર્મિંગ સિસ્ટમ કેટલા છે okay. In case of the lube oil of a naphthenic origin, any clay treatment basis seems to be effective and successed for acid treatment. The acid treated stocks in such uses pose some problem for a caustic washing due to the emulsifications, a tendency for materials having high surface area such as etaphylagus textile can be absorbed acidic resins and asphaltic material from the heavy oils also. Okay, in case of the lube oil of the naphthenic origin, clay treatment seems to be effective and successful for acid treatment, and that can be the high surface area such as the can be absorbed acidic resins and asphaltic material from heavy oils also. Okay, the clay treatment is conducted in two ways, or namely contact any filtration and percolation technique. After the treatment and the clays are regenerated na basis par છે and in a burning control oxidation part or a carbon deposits, although it is not possible to completely remove of the deposits without suffering and the efficiencies of the adsorbent. The properties of the different adsorbent are table 4.6 already discuss કરીશું એ બાબતે આપણે. Then the residues up to the 6% are left behind even at a temperature the 500 to 600 degrees Celsius of a regeneration. A close look at the percolation data given in table 4.5 by this basis, and that increasing the ratio of oil to fuller's earth for adsorbent, the sulfur compound increases in the treated oil after an initial depletion part for a proper oil adsorbent, and the ratio has the out of utilized for data is this one. ઓકે, અલગ અલગ સ્ટોકમાં આપેલું છે 4.5 kgs, 34 kgs, 68 kgs, 2 to 5 kgs ના બેઝિસ પર. ઓકે, this is all discussion part is there for a survey system માટે. Okay, a survey different adsorbent was made available by the Flaxy Hinman, this scientist name also. Okay, so thank you so much.